So in continuation to my last two videos on astrology and career, so today I am going to tell you how to access the horoscope based on learnings from last two videos. Okay, so to give a very quick recap of last two videos, the first video talks about the bhavas or houses concerning the profession, like it's 10th bhava for profession, second house for wealth and 11th house for gains. And the second video talks about the planets concerning the profession: Sun for government, Moon for people, Mercury for intelligence related jobs, Venus for artistic, Jupiter for teaching and higher officials, Saturn for hardworking jobs, Rahu Ketu for routine jobs. So this is just a quick overview. So today I am going to tell you what are the primary determinants for accessing the profession. So in the next video I am going to talk about what are the secondary determinants for accessing the profession. Okay. So I wanted you to understand how this primary and secondary can be related to our real life example. Okay. So what you can do is just go to a famous doctor in your city, ask him how he diagnoses a patient. Okay, I recently asked a doctor in my city. The first what he typically does is he checks the patient for symptoms, physical examination, and understand what is the symptom. Okay, this is called primary. Okay, next after, based on his understanding of symptoms and his physical conditions, he will ask him to go for a blood test to confirm his result. That is what secondary. So primary will give clue on what is his physical condition, and secondary will give confirmation on what is his health status. Okay, for example, for a doctor, if during primary screening, if he finds there are certain symptoms which tells the particular person might have a typhoid, then he will ask him to go for a blood test where he will confirm that the typhoid is present. So this exact analogy we are going to use it in our case. Okay, so let me go into the primary scenario. Okay, so I already mentioned 10th house for profession, second house for wealth, and 11th house for gains. Now I am going to divide this into three sections. Okay, first one is lord or owner, second one is tenant or the planet occupying. You just relate it to your house. Any house, the owner have much more control than tenant. Okay, so first comes the owner, second comes the tenant, third comes the sign in which the planet occupies. Okay, so these three in order. Okay, so for three houses, whatever we discussed, 10th house, second house, 11th house, apply this rule. I will give one example. For 10th house, first see 10th lord where he is sitting. Next, go and see in the 10th house what is the planet occupying, and third one is what is the sign of 10th house. Okay, the reason why I am stressing the sign here is, right, certain sign have certain characteristics. For example, the Taurus ruled by Venus rules all the restaurants, eating places and dinings. Okay, for example, Cancer, which is ruled by Moon, rules all the watery related, like milk bars, tea shops, bakeries, confectionaries, all those things. So basically the sign will also give the clue where the native, like which profession the native will do. Okay, so 3 points are over. Okay, the lord, the planet in that particular house, that is tenant, the third one is sign. The fourth one, considered first three from moon. The reason why it is from moon, because moon rules your mental inclination. Okay, so based on the person mental inclination, he will choose his profession. So we have to analyze the same three conditions, first three conditions, for considering from moon. That is 10th house from moon, 10th lord from moon, second house from moon, second lord from moon, and so on and so forth. Okay, the last determinant, primary determinant, is strongest planet in the horoscope. Okay, even though we consider 10th, 2nd, 11th, but the strongest planet in horoscope is capable of giving a specific profession to the native. Okay, So these are the 5 primary rules to access profession in a horoscope. Okay, I will summarize. Okay, the first one is lord or owner of the house. The second one is tenant, like the planet which occupies the house. Okay, the third one is the sign in which the planet is occupied. The fourth is the consideration from moon, and the fifth one is strongest planet in the horoscope. Okay, in the next video I am going to talk about the secondary determinants for this. So when primary determinant and secondary determinant come together to a particular planet, then we can comfortably say that this person will do this particular job. Okay, so that's all for now. Okay, I'll meet you soon in the next video. Bye bye.